Welcome back to my channel. However, do you have a remote control car at your house? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you a few tips with it today. So first, if you want to make the car go forward with this, it goes forward if you push it like that. But if you want to make it go backwards, you push it like this. However, if you want to make it go drift, which will be the hard part, you turn this. Whoa, sorry about that, folks. I did not mean to do that. However, if you want to make your car drift, you have to use that, and then look, it'll go drift. However, let's have fun with my cool remote control car. However, another tip. Let's see it smash these cars down over there. Well, we're not going to break them, but let's see it jump over it. Ready? This is like Monster Jam a bit. Except it's my Monster Jam. I'm sorry, I don't know where my fingers are going, everyone. Okay, I didn't ask for it to drift. Ready? Wow! It crashed at all of my toys. Now let's try and make it move backwards. Oh, there's a few toys under it. Oh, there's one stuck. Sorry, guys. However, if you want to make it go back, well, let's try and make it go back. Oh my, it's going slow. It needs lots of batteries. Oh. Yeah. However, that's all we're going to do for today. I don't know what's happening with my monster truck, but yeah, it sometimes goes slow a bit. However, this is Owen signing off.